In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Amazon Prime free trial. If you started a Prime trial and don't want it to roll into a paid plan, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to click so you can cancel in time and avoid charges. First, open your browser and go to Amazon.com. Sign in with your Amazon account so you can access your membership settings. If you use more than one account, make sure you're signed in to the one that's currently on a Prime free trial. Next, head to your Prime membership page. Move your cursor to Account and Lists in the upper right corner of the homepage, then choose your Prime membership. This opens your Prime dashboard. Take a second to note the trial end date displayed there, along with the benefits you currently have during the trial. Now, look for Manage Membership. Depending on your layout, it may appear as a button or a small drop-down. You might also see an option called End Trial and Benefits right away. Click the option that leads to changing or ending the trial. Amazon will try to keep you on the trial and may show you reminders of the benefits, discount offers, or prompts to set a renewal reminder. Keep following the on-screen cancellation path. Select End Trial and Benefits, then choose Continue to Cancel, which may appear more than once, and finally select Cancel Membership. Continue until you reach a clear confirmation that the cancellation is set. Once you're done, you should see a confirmation message on screen. Amazon will also send a confirmation email stating that your trial won't convert to a paid subscription. It's a good idea to keep that email for your records in case you need it later. Be sure to cancel before the trial ends, which is typically 30 days from the sign-up date. To avoid forgetting, many people cancel soon after starting the trial. Your benefits usually remain active until the trial's original end date, even after you've canceled, so you won't lose access immediately. That's it. By signing in, opening your Prime membership, choosing Manage Membership or End Trial and Benefits, and confirming Cancel Membership through the prompts, you'll prevent the trial from auto-renewing into a paid plan. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this guide while you go through the steps.